Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So there are some queries like some of my followers or some of the users, they don't have a trial reel option in their Instagram account. So how to get that, or what are the reasons you are not having in your Instagram account? The trial reel option is available for all users. Instagram has rolled out this, but if you don't have it, there can be two reasons which the head of Instagram he have said. The first thing, you should have a public account. This is the main thing. And the second thing, you should have a few thousands of followers, like your followers should be in thousands. It's not like 10,000 or 20,000, it should be in a thousand. So if you are meeting these two things, then you should have a trial reel version. Still, if you don't have it, let me know in my comment section, so we can so I can check and I can let you know, so that I can check your account and I can let you know. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.